straight. Most of us don't have straight arms. Most of us have an angle in our elbows. So what's important is not which finger is forward, but that the creases of your wrists are parallel to the front of the mat. So for some people, it's much better if the hands are slightly turned out. Some people quite a bit turned out. But for many people, if the middle finger is straight forward, the wrist is compressed. And it very often has to do with just the shape of the elbows or sometimes tightness in the shoulders. Okay? So don't worry about which finger is forward. Check the creases of your wrist. Make sure they're parallel with the front of your mat. Okay? And very important, not to spread your thumb like this apart. This is a very good way of starting to compress and create a wrist injury. It's too much compression. Your thumbs are spread but comfortably apart, not strained. Your fingers shouldn't be hard. They should be long, sweet, and extended. Okay, let me try. Okay, so she put one foot on the wall, hip height, and then the other one. Very good. And let your head drop. And like you learned earlier today, squeeze the forearm, particularly this one, squeeze it in. Uncrunch between these shoulder blades and give me height. Use your legs. I want you to use your legs to climb up, up, up. And let your head release. Very good. And release and come down. Okay? Let's give it a go.